As you all know, if you watch my videos, you know I like going to estate sales. And in my past videos, yeah, I show this 1975 Kmart fan and this hot and fresh popcorn popper, which I have not been able to find any popcorn trays. I don't think anyone makes them anymore, but it's a cool machine and it works. I'm going to try and find Jiffy Pop or something to put it in, see if that works. But anyway, let's go over what I got here in this most recent estate sale. The first thing I got is another tire ashtray. And this one looked like it had a red stripe on it on the one side at one time. But if I find these in estate sales and they're not, you know, over 10 bucks or so, 10, 12 bucks, I'll buy them. Typically when I see these are about $30 or $40, and no, I'm not paying that kind of money for an ashtray. And it is kind of neat, you know, these old tire advertising ashtrays, you know, back in the day when everybody smoked in wherever, the tire stores had tire ashtrays. Suppliers would supply them, I guess, to kind of advertise their products. So anyway, we got a Cooper armored cord tire ashtray. And then I got a Kmart. These are the Chevy uses these, like for the turn signals and indicators on the dash and stuff, the generator and oil light. $1.17. And I like the packaging too. It says manufactured in Taiwan for Kmart Corporation, Troy, Michigan. And kind of shows you the, I'm guessing these are probably from the 80s, from the style of the dashboard they're showing, maybe 70s. But anyway, got these also, and these are Perry Drug. Does anyone remember Perry Drug? I think Rite Aid bought them out. And these are pretty common too. And again, another dash similar to the dash on this package. Probably the same, it was supposed to be the same graphic. And again, that looks like probably 70s or 80s, I'm guessing. Anyway, got a couple of them. And these you don't find anymore either. This is a heavy-duty Sylvania flasher. It doesn't have a price sticker of who, you know, if it was from Kmart or wherever. But it kind of tells about it on the, you know, which ones are for what and whatnot. So I got another flasher unit, and I'll leave these in the packaging. I like the packaging. I got a spark plug. This is Key 2 Auto, so I assume it's Kmart, $1.29. It's a JHC, a common lawnmower spark plug. So got that. I got a cord of, an open cord of Valvoline 1040, and I think this was before they took the zinc out. I was looking at the back, 1989. So we got this, and I can put this in that if I ever need to add oil. That goes down about a pint a season. It might be about halfway down on the full zone, between full and add, after a full season of cruising, like when I go to change oil. And I got this you just don't see it all anymore either. I thought it was super cool. It's a Dow liquid tire chain, and it says traction improver, contents under pressure. Shake before using, hold upright, spray evenly on tread a tire, about 5 seconds on each tire. Then momentarily spin wheels slowly, stop for 1 minute. Drive out slowly without spinning wheels. It says if product is accidentally sprayed on car finish or white sidewalls, it may be removed with tar remover. Can be cleared from most fabrics, so I assume it's some type of gooey nastiness that's in here. And it doesn't really say, it just says Dow Chemical Company, Midland, Michigan. I don't really see a thing that tells you what the contents are, which I think is mandatory now. But anyway, this can sit up here with all my junk up there. I thought that was kind of neat. and an Atlas tire patching for rubber articles, probably mostly for tubes and stuff like that. I just like this too. I like the packaging, and it has the contents in it, and that tube is unopened, and there's, I don't know, maybe 6-8 patches in there. So this, I don't think, has ever been used, an unused tire repair kit. I just, you know, like again up there on my cabinet, and I got this ancient ammeter. I just thought it was kind of neat, and it was 50 cents. I paid 20 bucks for everything that I got. Got a whole ton of fuses, packages of fuses. There's 3, 10, 20 amp, all different that I can add to my fuse thing there to, you know, I'd like to fill it up. And then I got this. I have one of these. This was Kmart, and it says $3.97. Be your own mechanic. And like I say, this is unopened in the box, but it tells you kind of a little bit about it here. If you want to pause and read, I'll try and hold it somewhat still. And it looks like early 70s Vega, Monte Carlo, Dodge truck, a boat. I'm assuming this is probably early 70s. And I actually have one that I use. And it's got the little fitting on the end there, but it's the same, pretty sure it's the same gauge, just not all yellowed. Yeah, exactly the same gauge. Well, I guess it's a little different, but close enough. But anyway, I couldn't pass up a neat old tool like this that is like brand new. In the box has been kind of messed up, but it still has the instructions. Let's see if we can get it out of here without, has all the little fittings. So you can hook the gauge up to your engine, and it has the directions here. I'm going to turn that fan on. The bugs are driving me nuts, so you'll hear the fan going, but it blows the bugs away while I'm sitting here. Okay, I just put it on low. That's enough to keep the bugs away. It's not that hot out today. It's only in the mid 70s. It's quite nice out. Anyway, it comes with the directions. I wonder if it shows 2 different testers. I wonder if this is one and that's the other, because the only difference I see is in the face. You know, it's just slightly different position in the gauge. Other than that, they look identical, basically identical. But anyway, this is the directions it came with. It tells you what to do if your vacuum's wherever, you know, to what to check out and stuff. The fan's kind of blowing it. I'll hold it here and go down, so if you want to pause and read, you can. Try and hold it so the fan doesn't blow it around, so you can pause it without it being blurry. If the video camera records it clear enough, that is. Maintenance and cleaning of your tool. And I think, you know, people don't, that's the problem, is a lot of people don't maintain their equipment, and they need to be maintained. I'll even put this so you can maybe read it if you want. Okay, so let me pack this back in the box. So there we go, another estate sale find. I think I'm going to put these up in there now, and we'll get a little video of this once we stuff these in there. There we go, put some of the stuff up there with my display, getting more fuses in my fuse holder thing. Got quite a selection there, and I got one that even says user's car kit, and there's all different kinds of fuses. I think I'm going to throw this in the glove box of the Bel Air, because a lot of those fuses are the style of fuse and amperage rating that the Bel Air has in it. Good little thing to throw in the car, I think. Well, I think I'm going to end the video here. I do have a video going up, I think, on August 7th of fixing the heater hose on the Bel Air. I've had that video for quite a while on my camera. I just finally uploaded it to my iMovie and edited it into a movie, and it's set to go at 7 p.m. on the 7th of August. So anyway, I'm just going to wrap this video up here. If you liked it, hit the like button. If you like my channel, that 348 engine icon will subscribe you. And thank you for watching my video.